Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen Goods Guru.
Introducing the ultimate probiotic yogurt maker. Our elegant stainless steel designs fit every kitchen. Its compact size saves counter spaces and stores away easily. Our industry-leading lifetime warranty and friendly phone. Text and email support ensure you get years of dependable service. It's easy to operate and comes with a simple instruction and a video guide. How can probiotic help you lose weight? Pick a copy today of Supergood, a 4-week plan to program your microbiome, restore health and lose weight, to help support your journey to a healthy weight. Can Ultimate Yogurt support a healthy response to stress in energy levels according to the American Psychological Association? Gut bacteria produce hundreds of neurochemicals that the brain uses to regulate basic mental processes. And gut bacteria manufacture about 90% of the body's supply of serotonin. Our industry-leading yogurt maker allows you to set the perfect temperature to yield maximum results. And never overcooking, and then there's run time. Dr. Davis in Supergood recommends fermenting your yogurt for 36 hours to yield the highest possible probiotic counts. The ultimate probiotic yogurt maker can run up to 48 hours, but can also be set for shorter cycles if you prefer. The ultimate probiotic yogurt makers come with 8 6-ounce glass jars with BPA-free lids. Plus we have additional yogurt jars sold separately. So you don't have to empty each jar before making your next batch. Or if you want to make larger batches, your yogurt maker fits not one but two 1-quart containers. Increases your production over 25% with less prep time and fewer dishes. Or if you're ready to take life to the next level, the ultimate probiotic yogurt maker is for you.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen tips and reviews. Thank you for watching and see you next time on Kitchen Good Guru.